this video I'm showing you the speed up process of me making this artwork art fusion. Let me first tell you some interesting stuff about this PSD project. First of all, it's card fusion and it's based on a lot of things. This whole thing took me about 40 minutes in total. I used 6 stock images and had 15 content layers in total and the 22 internal layers such as adjustment layers and solid colors. To that makes it a 37 layers in total. The PSD file size is 212.4 megabytes and the resolution is steady at 40 pixels wide and 2160 pixels high. That is perfect for your desktop or laptop wallpaper. And for this project I did not use any kind of tablet, just my mouse. So there you go, that's how I got from these images to this wallpaper. If you like this video, please let me know by leaving a like and comments. And if you enjoy my overall content, feel very free to subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. And I hope I'll see you in my next video.